Hi, I'm Barry Trott, Special Projects Director at the Williamsburg Regional Library. I've been thinking a lot about food and cooking. With the popularity of the Netflix show Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat by Samin Nosrat, there's a lot of great books about food and cooking, but I think one of my favorites is Harold McGee's On Food and Cooking, the Science and Lore of the Kitchen. McGee it's a little bit older book. It probably was published originally back in the 80s and then had a second edition. But it's a great compendium of everything from recipes to how food works to the science of baking pans. If you want to know anything about why your recipe did or didn't work, McGee will tell you. Food of all sorts, cheese, eggs, algae. He's got it all in there. The section on bread and cooking starts off with historic bread. Where did bread come from? Why did people start baking? And then moves all the way up to the modern, how modern wheats work. So if you want to create new recipes, if you want to think about your own cooking in different ways, just to become more involved and engaged in what's going on in your kitchen when you're actually making dinner. On Food and Cooking by Harold McGee is a great book. So if you're interested in cooking, we've got a lot here for you at the Williamsburg Regional Library, so stop on by and happy reading and happy eating.